So Helge, you've come all the way from Portugal. Well, you're from Sweden, but you live in Portugal.
Correct.
What's it been like for you to get on an airplane, to come all the way out here, experience Africa and be part of this event here?
Okay. Yeah, it's a great fun. Absolutely. It's difficult to summarize in one word, I think. But I think all of us carry an inner voice. That's kind of, I don't know what to do with it. But if you trust that voice, that I got that, I don't know where it came from, but I went here.
Yeah.
And the experience meeting the people here, how they open up. I think I'm an open person. I showed that here, but it opened up even more when meeting all these people, and you feel so safe around them. So, and you have actually managed to merge talking about money, but it's more about the mindset. So yeah, you will learn a lot if you struggle a little bit in your mind. This is a place where you can actually open up things you wouldn't know yourself actually. So clarity.
Yeah, well, I mean, you said something, you had an intention right up front to get your purpose or to repurpose. You know, you're in a different chapter of your life, being a successful business person, you know, moving on to a new chapter, etc., etc. And what's it been like for you? Because so many people, I meet people all the time, they're like, I don't know what my purpose is, or as you just said, I'm in a new chapter of my life, etc. What's it been like for you to discover your purpose and to achieve your intention?
Well, it feels some kind of a calmness inside, and I mentioned clarity as well. So that's open up things, and yeah, it calms your mind. It's not going around dabbling where you want to go. So now I know what my new purpose. We all have purpose that travels in different direction in part of your journey in your life. So when you find that, because many of us, you start with building your identity through school, and then it's work, and then it's retirement. And people look forward to retirement so early, and that is the goal. But they haven't set up the goal after they retire. What happened then? That was through me.
Helge, you were telling us about the weather's so nice, the camera went off, it got so hot. But you were telling us about the identity shift and moving to retirement and how important it is to plan.
Yes.
So what were you telling us? What was the insight?
Yeah, I think most of us have an inner voice telling us, it's how should I choose my direction? And most of the time you go from work, that's your identity, beginning with school, work, and then retirement. People set the goal for retirement, and then I'm gonna start live again. So yeah, you can do that, but you miss out. And if you haven't set a longer vision after your retirement, you will have struggle. So I have done that because I sold my business quite early. I retired when I was 58 and had some fun in the beginning, but after a while I have great creativity and I want to start that again, and I use it to do it in my company that I sold, and now I need to rebuild that. So set up a vision when you retire, because otherwise you will struggle a lot.
Awesome. My final question to you is that, you know, to travel all the way from Portugal here it's a big trip. It's not an easy trip. What's been your experience of being here, coming to Knysna, coming to Sedgefield, being in this environment?
Yeah, it's been amazing. So much fun, because that was also a goal when I came here, to rebuild my purpose and to enjoy it. And we have so much fun. And most of the group that come here, you get the connection and you open up like you didn't know what it would do to you. So meeting you and all the other people here, amazing. So it's definitely worth to come here. Are you hesitating? Listen to your gut feeling. It will help you.
Awesome.
Okay.
Well, listen, it's been wonderful having you. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to many more.
Okay,
Cheers,
thanks.
mate.